my weekly Target video. We're going to go inside and see the deals from October 13th through October 19th. There's a buy four, get a $5 gift card on personal items. And also I got an only for you deal, spend $80, save $15. The first deal I saw was the Love Beauty and Planet. They're $4.99, the little hand lotions. You get 4 of those for $19.96. You get $1.50 back on each on Fetch. Fetch is up to 5. And then you get a $5 Target gift card for buying 4 items. So that's $8.98. And here are some more items that count towards the buy 4, get a $5 gift card. The Neutrogena wipes, the 25 count, they're $5.69. There's a $2 digital coupon within the app, and you'll end up getting it for $3.69. The Neutrogena toner, the alcohol-free, is $7.29. There's a $3 digital coupon in the app, bringing it down to $4.29. And this item counts towards the gift card promotion, as you can see in the screenshot. And then the Aveeno Positively Radiant Cleanser is $6.99. It's 6 fluid ounce. It was not in my store, but I do have a screenshot of it here. There's a $3 digital attaching, bringing it down to $3.99. And that also is an option for the buy 4, get a $5 gift card on personal items. And then the TrueScan Hyaluronic Acid is $16.99. There's a $3 digital in the Target Circle app, $6 coming back on Ibotta, $4 back on Fetch, bringing it down to $3.99. And that's before you get back the $5 gift card for buying 4 items. Looks like Vaseline has this product. It's called the Pro Vita B3 Serum Burst Lotion, 10-time antioxidants of vitamin C. It's not in my store, but it's $6.39 with the 20% off for Vaseline products, minus a $4 digital coupon, bringing it down to $2.39. Try to find it. Looks like a good new product to try. Next, I'll show you an oral care deal. Buy 3, get a $5 gift card. You can get 2 of these Crest 3D White Radiant Mint. They're 3.3 ounces, $4.99, $9.98 for 2 of them. You get $2 back on each in Ibotta, bringing it down to $5.98. Then for your third item, you can get the Crest mouthwash at $6.99 and get $1 back on Ibotta, bringing it down to $5.99. Then all 3 items are $11.97 after Ibotta, bringing it down to $6.97 after you get the $5 Target gift card. So $6.97 for all 3 items. The Molly Suds laundry detergent is $14.99. You buy one, get one 30% off. And then you can get 25% off the other one through the aisle rebate offer. So that is the math is right there, and then you get $2 back on each in Ibotta, bringing them both down to $17.73. Then the Persil packs at Target definitely had a lot of peelies. They were stuck on the side, and they were also peeled to it. So each container had like two $2 coupons on it. I have a 20% off laundry items in my Target Circle. So this is $8.99 with a $4 Ibotta rebate, bringing it down to $4.99. These are the Persil Power Packs that are normally $11.99 each. In the larger 57 counter, $16.99, there's a $5 Ibotta rebate, bringing it down to $11.99. Now, because there's a $3 built-in digital coupon in the app, I'm not quite sure. I don't believe you can also use the $2 Peely coupon. I didn't. In my Target Circle app, I got the spend $80, save $15 on select clothing, home, toys, and tech. And I'll show you how I did this. So the Hanes men's underwear are $24.99. There's a $2 digital coupon, bringing it down to $22.99. And there's other undergarments in the women's section and kids section that you can also purchase. And then for toys and games, I wanted to get this Crash the Party game. It's $17.49 on sale. There's a $5 Ibotta rebate, bringing it down to $12.49. Unfortunately, my store didn't have it, but I will travel to other stores to see if they have it in stock. Next up was this Tippy Magic Dragon. It is $14.99. There's a $3 Ibotta rebate, bringing it down to $11.99. It's by Moose Games, and it claims that the dragon floats. So I thought this would be an interesting game for a dragon lover. Next up is the Wealth and Murder game. It's $29.99. There's $4.50 coming back on Ibotta, bringing it down to $25.49. And this also counts towards the spend $80, save $15. The flip side game, which is $14.99, also qualifies. There's a $3.60 Ibotta rebate coming back, leaving it to be $11.39. I also wanted to show you a lot of the clothing is on clearance, and then there's an additional 20% off of each item that's on clearance already. So look at in this kids section, the cute leggings, they're like $8, marked down to $6.40 after the additional 20% off. They have these cute dungaree shorts and lots of other summer clothes. So this is the time to grab some items and the next size up for next year, especially if you have kids. In the women's section, all the active wear is marked down, and then also an additional 20% off. So you can get these shorts, athletic pants, you can get the sports bras. A lot of it is $8, and then another 20% off of that. So you're looking at $6.40 for a lot of these items. So go ahead and definitely go through the different sections of Target. And this is all undergarments that are on clearance, and again, an additional 20% off. And then over in the women's section, this is a size medium pair of shorts that I thought were cute. And these are all athletic shorts as well that are on extreme clearance. Well, thank you for watching today. I hope you got some ideas on how to save on household items and all those clearance finds. There was some in the shoe section as well. So get out there and score some items at a discounted rate. Thank you. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a good day.